Hello, everyone. Let's take a look at a couple of trades I made today in ES and also Crude. So it has not a really active day. The price has been in a range. If you see here, let's put it so you have the opening range from 9:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. from here in the ES. So in the left side, I do have my anchor chart. This one is actually let me show it here for you. So this one is 8, 20, and 40 and Renko, and in the right side I do have my entry chart. So as you see, the price action has been the whole day, in this area here, and with a lot of congestion. Let me also show you the one additional chart I have here for the point and figure. If you see here, it comes. So this indicates to me that that the market is still bullish. So meaning that the before the market opened, made a move to the range. So it's kind of like in the range here, waiting for it to break to the upside. So that's the reason why I took one of the trades here. Actually, in ES is 3 trades, and I'm gonna explain them now. So, you see the point and figure, and let me show you my settings. So this one is a break of 5, and the reversal is 3. Okay, so yeah. So let me close this one and move this one out of the way. Okay, trades. So I didn't make any trades here coming into the open. Right here, 9:30. I was letting it settle. There is a move, significant move before the market opened. Even before that, I said that already. But it moved then and established a new high here, and then started to move sideways. Now the 3 trades were in this area. So let's take a look at it. I'm gonna expand this and put them right there for me to explain them better. So first one, as I said, it was after this big move. Probably wasn't a good idea, but I took the trade and thinking that this was going to break since the range was formed coming from below to high. So I was stopped out in this one, and the first stop was 13 ticks per contract, so it's $325 in between the two of them, or 162 per contract. So that one is this entry right here, thinking that it was going to break out. It did one tick, and then it came back, and then I just sold it right there. Okay, so $325 loss in the first trade. Now the second one, I took it here thinking again this is going to break to the upside, and it didn't. So I took right there. Let me show you right there. I was thinking, okay, this one is going to break, and I took prematurely without leaving it to move to the above and close at a candle or a break closing above the opening range. But it came back, and then I gave a little bit more room in this area, so I was stopped out right there. Now the next trade, when I saw that this one was coming back, then I took this short. So okay, so the second trade was actually 19 ticks down, so it's 237.50 per contract, so $475 in between the first two trades. This is $800 loss right there. And in between these two trades, so $800 in between the four contracts or two trades. Then I took this entry right here when it was breaking below the below the 21 EMA, and it was breaking out of this wick right here. So it was a kind of like a fake or a fail bull move right here. So I took it immediately right there, and then the first target came out in at 37.79.75 for $250 on the first one, and then the second one was sold at 37.74, and it was right below, so this one is exactly 40 ticks below from where I took it. So it was and it was right at the low of the range. It was, this week came just one tick below and then came back. So very, very nice price action in between this up high here and this below, and then you can see that the day repeat itself through the whole day, doing kind of like the same thing, trying to move high, and then it fails and then comes back. If we move it to the right, we will see that it's doing the same thing now, and it's trying to break to the downside now. But we do have in the left side of this of the chart, in the anchor chart, we do have a support that is 200, the 200 moving average. So we'll see if this one is going to be violated or not, or it's going to bounce out of here. Lunchtime is not, for me, it's not a good area or a good period to trade, so I'm staying out. So in between the three trades, is minus $50 loss in ES today. So I think that I'm gonna leave it like that for the rest of the day. It's not it depends on if it goes to 37.40. Probably I'm gonna take a shot to go to the upside. I don't know. It is a range day, and market has been chopping too much. Let's look at crude oil. I did make a trade in crude as well, and this one was actually right there. It was also a breakout. Probably this one was moving to the upside and then went into the range, and then the market opened, and I made this out of this double bottom. If you see here, we are also in a range. I was looking for bullish entries, and this range, I painted this range later in the day when it started to range from probably 9 a.m. around this area here, when I saw that there were like three tops here. And also, today is a day where we should have the inventories for crude, but they have not come up. They are saying that it's because of technical issues. We'll see. So not published yet. However, I took a trade here, and this one was good for only one contract. Let me expand this a little bit so you can see it better. Again, this one was a break out of this double top. So we do have here one top, and then I have a double top right there, and I took that entry right there below the range of the day. So that one was good for one tick. I mean, one contract for the first one. The second one came back down and stopped me out at 0. So that one is $200. In between the four trades I just showed with ES and CL, I do have $150 profit for today. I'm gonna keep looking at the market and see if there's any good opportunity to trade today. But you see that ES in here, it's in this triangle and not moving out of it. So we'll see where it breaks to. Try to make a break here, but it came back, so it's tricky today. This one here is it should have been a good counter trend trade, especially after this second one. That one would have been a good entry. However, we're in the middle of the range right there, so it's kind of like risky anyways. Probably a good trade would be in between here and in that lower part of the range. And now we are forming a new range here. In this case, it's a triangle. We'll see if it's going to keep moving sideways or not. Okay, so those are the 4 trades I made today, that's it. So thank you for watching.